Jesse and I were just watching Mike Leslie get ready for his live report from Oxnard. Did a quick search. It's 70.
Is that all?
That's all.
That's like room temperature.
I mean, just a little bit jealous.
A little bit. You know, 96 ain't so bad.
It could be worse. It's been worse and it will be worse.
And it will be. Teresa's correct. It will be worse. This may be as good as it gets for at least a few days. So 97 is the normal high. Today was 96, so we'll count that as a win. 106 degrees was the record. And guess what summer, Teresa?
1980. Our good old friend, 1980.
It's always 1980.
It always is.
Most of those summer records are 1980. That was a crazy. If you lived in North Texas in 1980, you should know that that was the worst summer North Texas had. That in 2011. 93 degrees, the temperature now at DFW feels like 101. It is humid outside. That is tropical moisture that has been transported north into North Texas from a little disturbance that was in the Gulf. And now all we're seeing here are just some very isolated showers. A rumble of thunder or two have been reported here. You can see a little lightning strike there near Justin in Denton County. So you see some little pockets of heavy rain right there at University Park. This is Northwest Highway and the Dallas North Tollway. So some little pockets of heavy rain there. Just west of Love Field, seeing some rain out toward Irving and Las Colinas area, then out toward Bedford. So HEB area seeing a little bit of rain here. It's nothing severe. This is all just some light to moderate rain, a little heavy downburst of rain here in Plano, right along 75, moving up toward Allen as well. So you get the idea. Isolated rain, that's really all we have here. There's a little bit more widespread rain in far northeast Texas. That's light rain. But here in the Metroplex for the next few hours, isolated rain, little heavy downpour or two, can't be ruled out. And then as we go through the late evening, rain chances go away once the sun goes down. Then as we go throughout tonight, through most of the day Sunday, we are dry, we are partly cloudy. Let's get into Sunday afternoon. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. We're dry, a little bit of cloud cover just streaming through the area. Okay. And then we'll try to pop up a shower or two as we get into Sunday afternoon. This is 3 p.m. Notice the coverage is pretty low. It's even lower than today. So today was the 20 to 30% coverage. Tomorrow's the 10% coverage, mainly south and southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There it is from Canton down to Corsicana, Waxahachie and Terrell. We'll have the slightly better chance to see some rain. 96 today, about 96 to 97 tomorrow. So very close to the normal high, nowhere near the record of 106 set back in 1944. We'll be at 96 in Terrell, Mineral Wells 98, Graham 97, Granbury 96, Canton 94, Mineola 95, Athens, Corsicana again in the middle 90s. Then the humidity, factor that in, it'll be heat index values back in the triple digits. Not quite as hot as it was yesterday and today, but still dangerous heat in place. 78 degrees tonight, partly cloudy skies, warm, muggy, and breezy. Tomorrow, 96 degrees, hot and humid. Heat index value up to 103. South winds tomorrow 10 to 20, so a little bit of a breeze tomorrow as well. It wouldn't be a refreshing breeze by any means, but a breeze nonetheless. 97 Monday. You see how we're slowly creeping back into the upper 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Triple-digit heat is possible Wednesday. I've left it at 99. Thursday looks a little bit more likely for more of North Texas. That'd be the last day of July. Then we get into August there, and high temperatures just kind of bounce around in the upper 90s, which again is the norm for this time of the year. No extreme heat over the next 2 weeks. And I know what some of you are thinking, especially if you're not from North Texas and you just moved here recently. But Jesse, you have 100 degrees there. Trust me, that's not extreme compared to what we can get and what we usually do get this time of the year.